So is there something special inside of you? How did I know that? I saw this boy in front of swimming pool, looking at people like this. Khamosh, udas, observant, but very focused. And when I was looking at him, I was thinking, what does he want? What is going on with him? और जब मैंने उससे पूछा जाके, तो एकदम से वो चौंका, like he was in a trance. He was so focused. He wanted to be something special, but he couldn't be. मैंने उससे पूछा कि what do you want to do? Why are you looking at the swimmers? तो उसने कहा, seeing them glide, swim, I want to do that. I would love to do that, but I can't. I'm very afraid. मुझे बहुत डर लगता सर पानी से. You don't have to be afraid. All you have to do, ये तुमने अपने हाथ ऐसे रखे हैं, इनको खोल दो. Because all great thing happens to the world when you open your hand because you have something special in your hands. तो जैसे मेरे हाथ में किया, और जब उसने इस तरह हाथ किया हुआ था, तो मैंने उसके हाथ के अंदर एक कप रख दिया, जिसको मैंने पानी से फुल भर दिया था, और मैंने कहा इस कप को पकड़ो, और बिल्कुल स्विमिंग पूल के आखिर तक जाओ, 40 feet दूर, वहाँ से जाके वापस आओ. तो सर उससे क्या होगा? मैंने कहा करके तो देखो. So in holding the cup with his focus, balance with his hand, moving along and slowly taking the cup, not distracted with what's going on around him, very focused. Came back, not a spill drop of water. और बोलते सर इससे क्या होगा? That's what I told him. कि where everybody would spill the water, would be afraid to carry it, you were focused. You had stillness in your motion. You had mastery. You were not walking, you were gliding. और यही speciality हम सबके अंदर होती है मास में. I see all of you sitting around with that person being very quiet, लेकिन in his quietness there is again stillness in his motion, in her motion. And that's the special thing that you have to see. What people carry with themselves carefully. All you have to do is just open up your hand and see what is the special thing that you hold in your hands. So what's special about you?
Okay.